Hello everyone, welcome back to the geography class. Today we're going to see the cross section of a river meander. Welcome. So the river we are using is this. As you can see, there is a meander up there, and down here there is another meander. So you see on the other bank, on that bank, there is a cliff, and on the closer bank here where the meander curves in, there are point bars. So there is a cliff on the side where the meander curves out, and the point bars on the side where the meander curves in, and the river keeps on flowing down. The cross section of a river meander shows how the depth changes from one bank to another bank crossing a meander. So to know this, we need to be measuring the depth of this water from this bank to that bank there, to close to the cliff. So I will be using the scaled stick. As you can see, it is scaled 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, up to 150 centimeters. So as I step forward, I will be measuring and recording the depth. We will measure the depth at each 50 centimeters. So let me put the scaling tape there crossing the meander so that I can be able to know where I will be measuring and recording. Centimeters. That is 37 centimeters. Centimeters. and the next is the bank, so that is 0. On this side of the cliff, I will call it B, and on the side of point bar, I will call it A. So I am going to draw the cross section of this river as you have measured. A is this place where we are standing, where there are point bars. These are the scalings or the recordings I made. The first 50 centimeters, I measured 6 centimeters. Depth, this is the depth, and this is the distance from A. And at 1 meter from A, it is 15 centimeters. 1 meter, 0.5, 37 centimeters. Second, 2 meters, 58 centimeters. 2 meters and a half, 60 meters. And 3 meters, it is 0 because it was in the bank where there is a cliff. So measuring 3 meters, let's start maybe from here, and let's say that a meter is here to 3 meters, and I will call this A and I call this B. So it means that here is the point bars and here is the cliff, and I scale here. I put y-axis for the depth, and the depth, the highest depth has been 60. So if I scale 20, it will work. I have 60 and 60, so it can be 10. The wind is disturbing me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So the first 50 centimeters from A, it was 6. So if you plot 6 here to A, we can put a dot here. Let me use another color. So next, the second is 15. The 15 is like here, and the second will be this here. The plot, it will be like here. Third is 37. 37 is like here, and the third is here. So if I plot here and 37, it will hit here. Fourth is 58. 58 is like here, and the fourth is here. So I plot it downward here to meet here. And 5 is 60. 60 is here, and 5 is here in the middle, and last is here. Then I take a marker, the points. So I will start from B, I mean from A, where there are point bars. I match the points like this, back to the cliff. So you can see that the depth is higher close to the cliff, and it is shallow close to the point bars. As you have been seeing me when I was walking in, I kept on experiencing high depth as I kept on approaching the cliff. The cross section of this meander looks like this. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos, please subscribe.